My name is Ronald Rand. I just turned 79. My bike, the history of it goes back to when Courtney, my oldest daughter, and I would ride. The kids decided I needed a light bike, and I've ridden every single day since then. I thought I was having sciatic problems, and the doctors, they found bone on bone in my left hip. They recommended Hoag and gave me a referral to Dr. Hunter.
He came to me, obviously he had the goal to continue riding his bike, so he actually rode his bike this morning, which is incredible, before he came in for surgery. Here we go. I think he did excellent. I think he did really good. I'm happy for him. I'm excited he's going to be able to have the quality of life that he wants.
Well, we're now a couple months after the surgery, and I am still in awe of the whole procedure. Well, going into the surgery, I had a streak of 6,420 days. The last day was that number. And immediately after the surgery, I felt like I could just keep right on going. In less than a week, I was back on the bike and riding. Every bit of exercise, workout that I get on this bike, I know is strengthening me, and I think that and the work of the Hoag Orthopedic Institute has got me definitely back on the road.